Hello everyone, this is a video to show you agent solution offered by omnichannel. Omnichannel offers various solutions for enhancing your business. An agent is very important for any business. First, let me get into my omnichannel page. I'm entering the company name. I'm entering the username. I'm typing the password. I'm logging in. Only when I log in into my omni-channel page, I can show you the solution. So now I'm in the omni-channel page. I'm clicking on manage menu and then clicking on agents menu. This is the agents page. You can see here the different buttons, icons. I will explain one by one in detail. This button retrieve from 3CX allows you to retrieve agent from 3CX. If you click on this button, there is a pop-up and there is a list of all the agents. I have to just check in if I want to retrieve this agent. Likewise, I can check in on any agent to retrieve. After checking in, I have to click update so that the agents will be retrieved. So this is the icon to add new agents. Before I show you how to add new agents, let me explain this section. Here you can see that I have added many agents. These are the agents. This is their extension number. You can see the color red over here. It means that this agent has not logged in into his queue. If the color is green, it means that the agent has logged in into his queue. This new agent 102 is not logged in into his queue, whereas Nick Austin with extension number 110 has logged in into his queue. This is the status button. If it is in red color, it means that the admin has not given him permission to log in into omnichannel. If it is in green color, it means that the agent has been given permission by the admin to log in into the omnichannel. This is the update button, clicking which you can update the information of the agent. This is the delete icon. Of course, you can delete any agent using this delete icon. This is a send welcome mail option. I will explain one by one in detail. First, let me go to add agent. When I click on add agent, there is a pop-up to add agent. I'm going to add an agent. I've given the agent's name as new agent 200. I'm providing an email ID for the agent. I'm giving out the phone number. I'm giving the username now. White space is not allowed. I'm going to give a space now. You can see the notification here. Sorry, white space not allowed. I'm taking back the space now. I've given the username without the space, so no notifications anywhere. This is the password that I'm going to provide. I'm going to give the extension number. When the extension number is given, the SIP username and SIP password can be automatically generated. You see, I click this icon, so the SIP username and the SIP password has been automatically generated. Now, I can select the reports. Any type of report that I want to generate for that agent, I can select. I can select multiple reports also. Now, this is the permission assigning section. I'm going to now assign permission for the agent that I've added. I'm enabling this icon. It has turned into green, which means that Voice 3CX permission has been assigned for the agent. This is in the disabled stage. That is why the color is red. Now I'm enabling. The color is changing into green. This means that this agent can access the FB pages. Likewise, I can assign any permission which is listed out here. The permissions can suit according to the operations of your business. These are only examples. You can always assign and take back. The first button has admin permission. This permission is usually given only to admin. In rare cases, if an agent has to get the permission in relevance to admin, then you can enable this. Whenever the permission has to be taken back, it can be disabled. So this section is all about assigning permissions to the agent. This is the status button. This is in the disabled stage, which means that the agent cannot log in into his omnichannel page. Now I'm going to give him the permission to log in into the omnichannel page by enabling it. The color in the disabled form is in red. Now when I enable, the color changes into green, which means that the agent has the permission to log in into the omnichannel page. Now I'm clicking on add agent. This notification indicates that the new agent has been added successfully. The agent is now being displayed in the agent list. You can see here new agent 200. The extension number of the agent is 601. This color red for this icon means that he has not logged in into his queue. Evidently, just now I added the agent. The agent has not logged in into any of his queues. So the color is in red. You see the agent Nick Austin over here, the color is in green because he is an old agent. He has already logged in into his omnichannel page and has come to queue. That is why the color is in green. So the status, because I gave him the active status, this is showing as green. If you see new agent 102, the agent has not been given the permission to login into omnichannel, so the color is in red. It is enabled status means green. It is red means it is disabled status, inactive status. Now to update the information about the agent, I'm clicking on this. There is a pop-up. You can update the agent details. You can change the username. You can change the password. You can change the name. I'm changing the name as new agent 300. You can change any details. I'm going to change the email ID as vg@callforcare.com. So I've made changes in the agent's name, in the email ID. I can make changes anywhere. I'm making changes in the reports section also. Like this, I can make changes. I can change multiple. Now this is multiple reports. Now I'm taking back the permission that I granted for voice 3CX. I'm giving the permission for WhatsApp. Likewise, you can make changes anywhere. And then I'm clicking on update agent. There is a notification. You see the new agent 300 updated successfully. In the list also, the changes has been carried out. Now, if you do not want an agent, you can always delete the agent. You click on the delete button. It will ask for a confirmation. If you click on this confirmation, then the agent will get deleted from the list. You can send welcome mail also. Your agents are very important for your business. Your agents are the one who are carrying out the business operations. There will be different departments, different issues, and the agents who have appropriate skill sets will handle those departments and issues. So it is very important to know all the information about the agent and to save and manage at a particular platform. Omnichannel offers this exclusive solution so that you can save all your agents, all the information about the agents at one single point and assign departments to them, responsibilities to them according to their skill set. Because the agents are so very important for the organization, you please welcome them warmly. Send them a welcome mail. See, I'm clicking send welcome mail. This welcome mail will reach the agent. See, welcome email sent successfully. This means that the agent has received the welcome mail. The welcome mail will have his login details using which he can log in into omnichannel and in the queues. Let us check whether the mail has reached. See the welcome email. The agent has received the welcome email. The agent can use the login details and can log in into the queue. I have talked about this status earlier. Now I am going to explain how the agent will not be able to log in into his omni-channel page if it is in the disabled stage. I am disabling the status now. This means that I am not allowing new agent 300 to log in into omni-channel page. Now I am going to show you how the agent 300, even with his username and password, cannot log in. I'm taking the username now. See, I'm the agent. I have received my welcome mail. I have gotten my logged in details, but the admin has not allowed me to log in into omnichannel. I'm using the same username. I'm going to try to log in. I'm using the same username. The company name is same because the admin and the agent are working in the same company. Now I'm going to take the password. This is the username, this is the password, this is the company name. All was provided by the organization for me, but because the admin has not allowed me, I will not be able to log in. You see, please enter the valid company name, username and password, which means that it is not allowing me to log in into omnichannel. So an agent, even if he has username, password, will not have an easy access to your omnichannel page. So you need not worry about security. Now I'm going to go back. I'm enabling the status now, which means that I'm giving the permission for this agent to log in into his omni-channel page. I'm going to take the same username. Now, the company name is the same because again the admin and the agent is working in the same place. The same username, the same password, and now I'm logging in. See, I'm able to log in into my omni-channel page. I'm logging in now. So the agent 300 has logged in into the omni-channel page. See, this is only to demonstrate how secure your solutions are. Omnichannel offers very simple solutions, but the solutions are very accurate, reliable, secure. And even if you want more features to be added to suit your business, we can always customize that for you. The budget and the time specifications are always the customer's end from us. So please contact us to get to know more about the solution and if you want more features.